process of identifying the priorities for fundraising, you know, the millions of projects at King's, what are we going to actually focus our efforts on, is, as you might imagine, quite contentious, because in saying that we will have a priority list, you're saying there will be some things that aren't on the priority list. And there is a job there in managing people who feel that perhaps they're not getting as much benefit from the fundraising as they would like, and yet we still want them to be involved. The approach that we've taken at King's most recently is to say we think that donors will want to support the things that make us special and unique, things that we are very good at, and things where we feel that an injection of money will make a big difference to what we're able to achieve. So a good return on investment, if you like. And then we as fundraisers said, that's great, but also we want to know that there is a philanthropic market for those things. And if there isn't, then probably there's not much point in us spending a lot of effort trying to fundraise for them. So we, if you like, did a heat map of what are we very good at, where there is a need, and what does the marketplace tell us there is this appetite to support. And from that we came up with a short list of areas and projects. We also said that fundraising is an art and it's not a science, so we are going to put 80% of our effort behind these projects because these are institutional priorities and they're the things that we really are going to focus on. But 20% of the time we need to reserve to be donor-led, because donors often take you in conversations. You start off having a conversation about cancer research and they want to talk to you about Byzantine and modern Greek. That's okay, you need to have some flexibility to follow that. And also just new opportunities that will come up. So sometimes something amazing happens at the institution and we really want to fundraise for that because we think there's a big opportunity and a big group of people that would like to support it. So we need to reserve some capacity for that as well. But the decision to prioritise was absolutely the right one, because it means that donors understand what we're about and what our priorities are, and it has to be led not by the fundraising department, but it has to come from the institutional strategy and be led by the Vice-Chancellor and the senior team who take those decisions, because it has to be around institutional strategy. And when chemical engineering come to you and say, why aren't you fundraising for my project, the answer isn't because the fundraisers said so. The answer is because we've been through a process as an institution and these are the things which we are going to concentrate on for the time being.